Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. Just a quick update here as the market is looking quite positive actually today. Obviously we have a little bit of upside. Bitcoin broke recently above its red trend line and the altcoins are following. We also had some trend line breaks on various altcoin charts. I think here on the SUI chart we didn't really talk about any trend lines, but also that obviously in this orange support zone that you see on the chart there in the main support region, which is defined between 53 cents and 72 cents, that this was, well, one of the last chances for it to turn around really before, okay, not getting invalidated, but before a bullish, let's say the bullish scenario would reduce in likelihood. But for now, we are moving up, and while this could be in the white count still be, let's say, a fourth wave in a diagonal pattern here, which would be the bearish scenario, at least short-term bearish. Bear in mind, as long as we only have a three-wave move up, we cannot confirm that a low is in place. It can still easily be part of a corrective rally, and we could still fail. But obviously, I've also learned that over the years, it's not wise to say that three waves it's bearish. It's not. It just means we haven't confirmed the low yet. And we can still add a support area for a possible fourth wave pullback in the yellow count, which needs to break in order to confirm that we head down for another low, right? As long as this the orange support region is now holding for the yellow scenario, and it's defined between 69.5 cents and 78.3 cents, well, see, as long as this is holding, there is no reason really to be bearish. Cautious. We should be cautious anyway with altcoins all the time, but not bearish because this is quite a substantial rally. The third wave highlighted in yellow is long enough to be called a viable and robust third wave. Why? Because it reached the 1.618 extension, even beyond the 1.38 extension. So that's at 83.5 cents. We reached that level. 86 cents is the next one, and then 89.7. These are the next key levels to the upside in this yellow third wave. And then a fourth wave pullback should take the price into the region between 78 cents and 69. And then from there, we should get one more high in wave 5 in the yellow scenario. So at least, well, should do to confirm a overall low in place in this larger degree wave 2 correction, which might have bottomed and which started up there in March. Okay, so I mentioned also recently in one of the signals for gold members that this is an interesting chart because we have 5-wave move up, 3-wave pullback. Obviously we still need to be on the side of caution because not only because an altcoin, but it has a fairly limited chart history. It really only started to kick off in October, and it just doesn't give you a great long-term trend. All we have is an initial 5-wave rally and a pullback. But obviously the 53 cent level is still a main support. Okay, so if we get another low, then ideally we're holding at least that level. And the invalidation point for the bullish thesis is at 36 cents. But really looking good, but we need to we need those 5 waves to the upside. And when we get a pullback, we should see it find support probably sort of in the middle of that micro support region, maybe between 75 and 72 cents. That's my update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.